Hey everyone, welcome back to Super Garage, where we bring you the most luxurious, cutting-edge, and jaw-dropping motorhomes from around the world. Today, we're taking a deep dive into the stunning 2026 Prevost Motorhome, a symbol of class, technology, and limitless comfort. This isn't just a vehicle, it's a luxury residence on wheels, engineered for those who demand the very best in design, performance, and lifestyle. The 2026 Prevost isn't just keeping up with the times, it's setting the standard for what a true motorhome should be. If you've ever dreamed of blending the comfort of a 5-star hotel with the freedom of the open road, buckle up, because the new Prevost delivers that dream and so much more. The moment you lay eyes on the 2026 Prevost, it's clear that this is no ordinary motorhome. The exterior design is sleek and futuristic, with clean lines, a bold front fascia, and dynamic LED lighting that highlights its road presence. The full-body paint options and chrome accents elevate its elegance to another level. Built on a reinforced stainless steel structure, the Prevost is crafted for durability, safety, and aerodynamic efficiency. It glides down the road with authority, leaving everyone in awe. It's not just built to look good, it's built to last. With an integrated slide-out system and fully automated awnings, the Prevost transforms its external space into a luxury patio setup with the push of a button. Step inside, and you immediately feel the transformation. You're no longer in a motorhome, you're in a rolling luxury suite. The interior is an exquisite blend of design, technology, and craftsmanship. From imported hardwood finishes to the finest Italian leather seating, every detail is refined and polished. The living area features state-of-the-art climate control, a massive 75-inch OLED smart TV, integrated surround sound system, and ambient LED lighting that can be personalized to your mood. The couches are plush and convertible, with heating and massage functions for maximum comfort. Everything from the lighting to the shades to the entertainment system is controlled by a single touchscreen or voice command, making the entire space smart and intuitive. The kitchen in the 2026 Prevost is nothing short of gourmet. It's fully equipped with top-tier appliances, including a full-sized Sub-Zero refrigerator, an induction cooktop, a high-speed convection oven, a dishwasher, and even a wine cooler. The countertops are quartz, beautifully cut and lit with under-cabinet LEDs. There's ample cabinet space, all soft close, and designed with both form and function in mind. Whether you're preparing a quick snack or a gourmet meal, the kitchen feels more like a high-end apartment in Manhattan than a motorhome. And with a custom-built dinette space that comfortably seats 4, meals are enjoyed with a view, thanks to panoramic windows that surround the area. As you move further back, you enter the master bedroom, a sanctuary of rest and privacy. The king-size bed is fully adjustable, with a memory foam mattress, dual bedside control panels, and blackout shades that slide quietly into place. A secondary 55-inch TV, hidden in custom cabinetry, offers endless entertainment. The bedroom includes extensive closet space with cedar lining, LED-lit shelving, and even a built-in safe. You can personalize the lighting, audio, and even fragrance systems in the room to match your preferences. It's more than just a place to sleep, it's a luxurious escape from the world, no matter where the Prevost takes you. Connected to the bedroom is a bathroom that rivals those in the world's top hotels. It features a large glass shower with a rainfall showerhead and body jets, a smart toilet with heated seat and bidet functions, and a double vanity with backlit smart mirrors. The heated tile flooring ensures comfort in every season, and the finishes, from the marble countertops to the brushed nickel faucets, reflect absolute luxury. There's also a washer and dryer unit tucked into its own cabinet space, allowing for extended trips without sacrificing convenience. Every inch of the bathroom is thoughtfully designed, offering complete comfort and elegance. When it comes to performance, the 2026 Prevost is built to impress. It's powered by a high-performance Volvo D13 engine, delivering over 500 horsepower and immense torque, allowing for smooth, responsive driving even on the steepest mountain roads. Paired with an advanced 12-speed automatic transmission and electronic stability controls, this motorhome offers a ride that feels more like a luxury coach than a heavy-duty vehicle. The adaptive air suspension system ensures that the cabin remains stable and level no matter the road conditions, and the sound insulation is so refined that you barely hear anything from the outside. Whether you're cruising down the highway or parked in a remote forest, the Prevost remains a quiet, smooth, and controlled environment. Safety is also top tier. The 2026 Prevost includes a 360-degree camera system, blind spot monitoring, adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, and automatic emergency braking. Parking this massive machine is no challenge at all, thanks to the advanced guidance system and automated parking assist. This is one of the safest motorhomes on the road, equipped with everything you need to travel confidently and securely. Sustainability is another major feature. With an integrated solar power system on the roof, large-capacity lithium-ion batteries, and a quiet-run diesel generator, the Prevost offers extensive off-grid capability. You can go off the beaten path without worrying about power, water, or fuel. Smart energy management ensures your systems stay running efficiently while minimizing environmental impact. Whether you're parked at a luxury RV resort or boondocking in the wilderness, the Prevost adapts to your lifestyle effortlessly. What truly makes the 2026 Prevost special is its level of customization. Each unit is built to order, allowing buyers to choose everything from the floor plan to the materials, color palette, tech packages, and even custom artwork. Want a built-in garage for your sports car? A private cinema room? A rooftop lounge? It's all possible. This is not a one-size-fits-all motorhome. It's a tailored luxury experience, built around your personal vision of the perfect life on the road. Of course, all this luxury comes at a price. The 2026 Prevost starts at around $2.8 million, with fully customized versions easily exceeding $4 million. But for those who demand the very best, it's worth every penny. This motorhome isn't about saving money or cutting corners, it's about creating a lifestyle where no comfort is compromised, and no limit is accepted. It's a home, an office, a retreat, and a statement, all in one extraordinary vehicle. So if you've ever imagined yourself waking up in the mountains, working in the desert, and sleeping by the ocean, all without leaving your own luxury suite, the 2026 Prevost Motorhome is your dream made real. At Super Garage, we bring you the best of the best, and the 2026 Prevost is without a doubt one of the most elite, awe-inspiring motorhomes on the planet. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to Super Garage for more incredible content just like this. Until next time, keep dreaming big, and keep riding in style.